Hey guys, welcome to day 6 of daily van life on the road. In today's video we're showing off a beautiful spot in northern Croatia called Krk Island. This wild camping spot felt so secluded that we ended up staying here an extra couple days just to take in the scenery.
Got the vans parked up there. Look at this slice of heaven.
Aww.
You alright?
You're my slice of heaven. We're out by the coast.
Yeah, I was so happy. I suppose we haven't did a van update. She's going like a dream.
Yeah, our baby is back.
So 500 noobs well spent, I think, is what it is.
Tease what it is, guys. Now let's go get our snorkel on.
So that's the way. That path takes us to the nudie beach.
We'll be going there.
There you go. Pervert.
Luckily we'd met another couple of UK van lifers on the road who let us borrow their paddleboard for the day. Thanks guys. I'm going to go back in and get something.
Better fit.
Yeah. Can I paddleboard and you can?
Are you sure?
I want a paddleboard.
Okay.
I'm going to try and stand up. Okay, step 1, I'm on. It's step 2, I'm kneeling.
It's like a surfer.
Oh no, Philly, oh no,
Look at this athlete.
The knees are bent.
You're like walking a tightrope. How not to get on a paddleboard.
Carp. First step, I'm going to do that. No, Philly. It's not a fan. It's not a fan.
The paddle's upside down.
I know, I'm trying to get my balance.
You're doing it! You're doing it!
Out of my lungs, I've got a blue bite.
Happy birthday! Go my pretty bee free! There she goes. Hello Martha. And that's it, just get left behind. Getting a bit of confidence now. You don't realise how fast you go, do you? My saviour.
Moana. That's what I feel like right now.
Oh.
Not anymore.
Look at this gal. Oh, this is a good shot.
Climbing pants on. Engage.
You enjoying yourself?
I'm just making us go around in circles. I'm enjoying looking after you.
Look at that.
Yeah. How's my form? Oh. I'm so hungry. What's for lunch?
Just for perspective, I'm just hanging onto the end.
Spaghetti bolognese. I've got that.
Yeah, do it. Why
I
not?
would eat it. We've got cheese and stuff.
I would eat it. Of course you would.
I'm very excited about the spaghetti bolognese because it's got parmesan and mozzarella on it. Let's get stuck in.
Whoop.
But if you guys have enjoyed this video and you haven't subscribed already, I'll pop it up here. And if you've missed any of these daily vlogs, I'll put the playlist down here. See you tomorrow. Bye!